In Makerspace, we really focus on science, technology, engineering, and math. And so we look at different components of those things and how we can learn more like engineers. We try to learn like engineers, building and taking things apart and putting them back together in a hands-on, engaging way for students. If you hold a ball up in the air, that ball has more potential energy than a ball sitting down on the ground. It has the potential to move. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. So once it starts moving, that energy is kinetic energy.
It's where kids explore to learn. They create. It's just a place where they collaborate. We do a lot of team stuff. There's no answer to the question type thing, open-ended questions. They have to solve the problem, and there might be 100 million ways to solve the problem. So it's just a safe exploration place for my students. Who can tell me anything about circuits? What do we know about circuits? Right there.
They conduct electricity.
Oh, baby, you better say that. They conduct electricity. Anything else, Nana?
There's power that goes through the cords to power light bulbs.
Baby, you better say power light bulbs. We did density towers. We look at buoyancy, things float. We look at the circuitry. We built robots and then we code the robots. From robotics to tasks like this one, the hands-on activities. We do computer lessons. We had the Lego robotic competition. We have a boat competition coming up, so we'll be learning about buoyancy and floating and how we can design boats from cardboard that can hold a person in water and make it across a pool.
It's a fun place where you could just build stuff and have fun. And it's okay to ask questions because there's always someone to help you.
A lot of people like Makerspace, and because you have a lot of creativity and you can just make it. If someone says, hey, that's not right, don't believe them because your creativity is whatever you want to make.
It's important to test your brain and to have your brain grow even bigger.
When the kids are in my classroom, they may struggle with reading, but they read in my classroom because they want an outcome. So they use the skills that they learn in their classroom, and then they come to my classroom and they're sounding words out and all those different things because they want to be successful in Makerspace because it's such a, it's not a conventional type of class.
With this hands-on learning, students get an opportunity to kind of think outside the box, have a different way to explore and learn. Sometimes they shine through and they are successful, where in class maybe they're not as successful. And so that's what I really like to see when students have those moments where, sometimes things are hard, but in here they have a chance to be successful. And then also sometimes things are hard and we have to learn how to persevere and move through that.
When they're using their hands, when they're using all these different parts of their brain, it connects the dots for my kids. It really connects the dots for my kids. But even as a classroom teacher, hands-on is the best type of learning, okay? And we have to reach all kids. So in reaching all kids, we have to teach to every intelligence, and every learning style. And that's what we try to do in Makerspace.